type in blogdo.com/Elementor. This link is also given in the video's description below. You can just click on that link and you will be redirected to this particular page. Now click on buy now. Okay, here as you can see there are 3 different plans: personal, business and unlimited plan. For person like you and me, we have to choose between personal and business plan, who has 1 site or 3 sites, and this plan is basically for web developers, freelancers who have many clients who want to use this plugin on unlimited number of domains. And if you are amongst them, then you have to select this one. Okay, I have selected the personal one. You can go with business one if you have more than 1 website. Okay, this is really amazing. You can see my tutorials using the Elementor Pro. You will love it. I have fell into love with this particular plugin. So I am selecting this one. I'll click on buy now. Fine, here you have, okay, you have to put in your email address, your real first name, last name, click on checkout. Okay, so here if you want to make payment through PayPal, you can log in. If you want to make payment through debit card or credit card, you can select this also. Okay, so I have already purchased this. I won't be showing you how to do this. So once you do so, you will receive an email from Elementor which would look something like this. It will have your date of purchase, your username, your email address and so on. Now what you have to do, you again have to open a new tab and type in my.elementor.com, and here put in your email address or your username and password and click on login. Okay guys, so this is how your my account page would look like. Here you have the my license, so you won't be seeing my license. I'll probably blur this thing because in fact you should not share your license with anyone. At present it says active install 0, and what you have to do, you have to click on this visit view websites. So just click on this. After doing so, you will get on this page. Here you have to add in the website which you want to install Elementor Pro plugin on. So I want to install it on this particular domain, nayashik.com. So I'll copy this link from here, paste it over here and click on add site. Okay, now I can see my website over here and it says deactivate sites, which means my site is activated. Now what I have to do, I have to copy this license from here. Okay, just copy it, go to your dashboard, Power Plugins, click on add new. Okay, first we have to install the free Elementor plugin. Okay, so type in Elementor. Okay, this is the one, Elementor page builder. I have already done that. So if you haven't installed it, so you'll get this install button, install and activate this plugin. Again go to this page, go to my account and click on this button which says download plugin. Okay, as you can see over here, your Elementor Pro plugin is here. This is the file which we have to upload. So again go back to your website. Okay, now click on this upload plugin button, click on choose file. Now this is the file which we just downloaded. Select this file, click on open, click on install now, click on activate plugin. Now go to Elementor, click on Elementor, go to license, and here you have to, and in fact this thing is already active. If it is not active, what you can do, you can paste in the license key which you just copied and click on activate. Once it's activated, you should see your status as active. Okay guys, so this is how you install Elementor Pro on your website, and let me show you how to use it. For example, let me add a new page. So let's have our pages and click on add new. Let's give it any title like new page. Okay, default template, I'll select page builder blank, click on publish. Now click on edit with Elementor. Okay, so this is how you should see something. Okay, here are all the pro elements, which means that your pro plugin is activated. You can add any pro element, for example forms, whatever you like. Okay, if you don't want to install anything, you have ready-made templates for you. Just click on this add template, and as you can see over here, ready-made templates, those which says pro are only available for pro. So we have the pro version, we can download it now, we can insert it now, but the one the people who are using the free version, they cannot do it. So it is a great idea to download and install the pro version. Now let's click on insert. So as you can see over here, the template is installed on our website. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so this is how it looks like. You can change anything from here. Suppose you want to change this image, you again bring this back, click on this image, select this image, if whatever you like instead of this. For example, I want to add this guy. Click on this, insert media, and you have this image over here. So it is that easy. I have many different videos on using Elementor Pro. If you want any help, I'll give link to all those videos in the video description below. Watch that video and you will really love it. Well guys, so this is it for this tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was helpful to you, then make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also give a thumbs up to this video. Thanks.